Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. And all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to take you to this list. Click here on notifications here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to show social notification, just click in this sign. Like you see, color for us here. That's mean automatically it's going to enable with you when you click here on CallApp. So then you click here on then here. When you click on CallApp here, you enable it. So then you click here on allow. Like you see here, it's going to enable with us here automatically on your CallApp. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.